What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing my new Fluval Spec 3 2.65 gallon aquarium. So let's get right into it. So I guess the first thing to do is just start taking it out of the package. So it's very nicely packaged. It even has a handle on the top to transport it. And it looks very nice originally in the package. So let's see, there is, well, it's hard to show from here, so I'll bring the camera over. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's very nicely packaged. You can see the filters over here, and over here we have some packaging, and I believe this is going to be the light. So let's return you back to your normal position. Okay, so the first thing that is easiest to pull out is this white box here, which I'm assuming contains the light, and I'm right, it does contain the light. So actually the cool thing about the light for this is it's meant to have like very good like amount of light for growing plants. So that's pretty cool, I think. So then we have a lot of packing. We have the instructions, and there are two other white boxes. So I'm just going to quickly open these. A little bit of tape on them. So let's open the tape. So in here there is a plug, and in the other white box I think we have another cord. So to the big thing that is most important is obviously the tank. So let's lift that out of there. Okay guys, so it is very well packaged. There were multiple pieces of foam on the edges. As you can see, the edges are made out of metal just for extra sealing. We have the filter hose right here. Let's see, in all good condition, no cracks or anything. Amazon did a very good job of shipping this. So we have everything set up. Let's quickly set it up. Okay guys, so it is very well packaged. There were multiple pieces of foam on the edges. As you can see, the edges are made out of metal just for extra sealing. We have the filter hose right here. Let's see, in all good condition, no cracks or anything. Amazon did a very good job of shipping this. So we have everything set up. Let's quickly set it up. Okay, so it looks like there was actually something else we missed, which was inside here, there's actually a package with some stuff in it, which I believe are some charcoal and some other filtering pellets. So now that we have got that done, I think I'm going to start setting this up. I'll see you when I've got this set up. Okay guys, I actually said that was the last thing that we had missed, but there's even one more thing. They're good at efficiently packaging, it seems, and that is the lid, which is actually very, very clear. Inside the bottom packaging, we have the lid, which just, it seems, fits right on top, and has a hole for the sunlight to shine through. So I think this is pretty cool, and I'm going to get this set up in my room, and I'll see you when that happens. Okay guys, so we have the tank set up. This is like, a few days later. And so the setup we've done is we've got some soil in the bottom. It's a special type of aquarium soil, but that means you have to rinse it and then let it settle. So it's murkier, but that's not too bad for the fish. We have a merino moss ball. Very cool, but decently overpriced. And we have some duckweed floating at the top. Now you might be asking, why put duckweed in an aquarium? Isn't that bad? Well, actually, the way this aquarium is so, as you can see from the top, there is the output from the filter on that side, which means that the stuff was just like floating around, which makes a really cool motion. So the way I've set up this tank, I think it's pretty cool. So I hope you guys like this video. Click here to subscribe. Click there to watch a video YouTube recommends for you. And click over here to watch our latest video. Thanks for watching.